Hello, and thanks for your order. My name's Caleb Roth. I'm the founder of Stain and Seal Experts Fence and Deck Stains. Let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to mix your stain properly. Our stains have a ton of pigment, and sometimes that settles on the bottom, so when you get it, we're going to show you exactly what to do. All right, some of the reasons that we want to make sure and get this stain mixed up perfectly is because we've got a lot of color in our stains. If you've used other stains and you've swapped over to ours, you know that our pigments are really heavy. We've got a lot of pigment in there. And you might say a first couple of inches on the bottom of the bucket is going to be straight pigment when you get this stain when it's been sitting for a while. So we want to use a drill or some kind of a power mixer to get all of that pigment up and back in suspension before you put it on your job. So we've already pulled the tab off, we've already unboxed it. I'm going to go over a couple of tools that we like to use with our stain crews that makes life a little bit easier. First thing, we've got a drill. You know, this is a well-used, it's an old, just a cord drill. And we like this one because it's a variable speed and we can control that speed. And this is just a regular, maybe a 24-inch paddle bit that is well used. The handiest tool that we keep on our trucks is this right here. It's just a plain plastic bucket opener. I'm going to go ahead and open this and we're going to start mixing it. We like to put this cardboard down on job sites just to prevent any spills. There you go. So this is cedar tone stain, I believe. So this is going to be a transparent color, and already for a transparent color, that's a lot of pigment. You know, that's a lot of color we're seeing there. So, but to get started, what we're going to do is the first thing we want to do is we want to drop the drill down in it, and we want to fill anything on the bottom, feel if there's anything down there, and if there is, that's what we're looking to get in suspension. And basically, we're just going to turn the drill on and get it going, and we're looking for a vortex. You can do the vortex a couple of different ways. You can go straight down the middle and get that tornado down in there and go for a minute, something like that. Or you can kick it at an angle, and you can do it the same way at an angle. And you'll get a vortex in there. The way it makes a little more of a mess, but it works just as good. So I don't feel anything on the bottom anymore. It looks like everything's up in suspension. That's pretty much it. You just want to make sure you get this stuff mixed up really well. You don't have to do it very often. If you go to lunch, you probably want to come back and mix it back up. But if you're on a job site, most of the time, you mix it up once and you're good to go. That is how you mix a bucket of stain. Pretty simple. If you're doing multiple buckets, it's a good idea to try to pour them all together. That way, if you don't get one bucket mixed up as good as the other, the color still blends. But that is pretty much it. Do your job just like normal when you get done. One of the cool things about our stain is we've got a resealable plastic lid with a seal in it, so you can just pop your lid right back on and you can head off to the next place. All right guys, if you like this video, I want you to click the like button and then subscribe. We got new content coming out all the time and we'd love for you to share that with your friends. And if you want to learn more information about the staining business in general, you can go to staininguniversity.com. It's a Facebook group that you can get a link to there. We've got thousands of members that are in the stain and seal business. Also check out the Stain and Seal Experts podcast. And if you want to buy stains like this or other products for cleaning chemicals and things, go to restorativewoodproducts.com. Thanks guys.